Bin Laden, Bin Laden, Bin Laden, Bin Laden, Bin Laden, place bomb up, Bin Laden, big bucket. We not carry none chuckle, but them up a party. 9 face was a battle.
Listen! On a play my DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a 5 against my thing. Suck on a mama. Hey, yeah, me too. I move around the sound, hold on. Hello. What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's a boy Jambisco, you know, I'm back on a hit and a smash and a bang and a people. Yeah, man, we're ready for the takeover we are dealing with today, people. Yeah, man, we tell us I never do the whole track, with the whole album. I do every track off a Skillibeng new project entitled The Prodigy. Yeah, man, 35 songs. We do much already, 4 or 3. I think we did 4 so far. So we have 31 more figure. Yeah, man. So this is gonna be. Actually, we skipped a few tracks. You feel me? A lot of people been talking about this one, so I had to find this one specific to do this video. You know what I'm saying? I skipped a few tracks. We're gonna go back. You know what I'm saying? But today we're gonna check out this song entitled Bin Laden. That's Skillibeng featuring Tommy Lee. And apparently, everybody loves the song apparently. Everybody talking about it every time you hear Skillibeng album mentioned. The tracks that they talk about is not. They talk about My Gun. They talk about I think Brand New, and they talk about Bin Laden. Yeah, and I think there's a couple more tracks I can't forget because I haven't listened to all the tracks here. Come on, we just on the 5th track. Yeah, man. This song entitled Bin Laden. Everybody talking about it on social media, but so I gotta react to it. You know what I'm saying? I got to react to it because I'm hoping Skillibeng and Tommy on the same track. Man, I gotta see what's going on, bro. I know this shit gotta be fire, dog. You see me? Uncle D, man. Mr. Universe. On the same track. Let's see what going on, cause this should be epic. This should be epic. Cause y'all know Tommy Lee got great production quality when it comes to his music, his videos, and you know he's talented too. So I'm curious as hell to see what's gonna go on in this one, man. Like no cap, this shit should be lit. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Yes, so if you're new to the channel, guys, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. For my returning viewers and subscribers, I want to thank you guys. I appreciate y'all. You guys are the best. We're going strong over here. Yo, we are the latest blood clot reaction channel on YouTube in the world, on the internet. You see me? And that's facts. You don't know, we have the latest family. You see me? I'm going strong over here, guys. So, without further, I'm just going to roll up the vibes. Come on, see what I'm going. This is Skillibeng featuring Tommy Lee, Bin Laden. Let's get it.
Is that? Is me? Bin Laden. Bin.
Come on.
Bin Laden. Is that? Bin Laden. Bin Laden. Bin Laden. Bin Laden. Bin Laden. Bin Laden.
Alright. The starting of a vibe speak already. I like the look so Bin Laden, like a one drop Bin Laden. I like it. They hear the keys and like boop 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 bomb class. That's a well made beat. Oh, shut up, fire now. Come on, let's get it.
Bin Laden, Bin Laden, Bin Laden, Bin Laden, Bin Laden, Bin Laden. Place bomb up, Bin Laden, big bucket. We not carry none chuckle, but them up a party. 9 face was a battle.
Listen, yeah, man say Bin Laden. Is that what? Place bomb up, bomb buckle. Take it back. A long time no pull up a tune. We kind of hold on on the pull up tune thing, but we have to do it on the one now. Come in, more you go.
Bin Laden, Bin Laden, Bin Laden, Bin Laden, Bin Laden, Bin Laden, Bin Laden. Place bomb up. Bin Laden, big buckle. We not carry none chuckle, but them up a party. 9 face, what's a battle?
That was a Bin Laden. Place bomb up. When I say, we don't carry none chuckle, Bumbuckler.
I love the AK Bin Laden with the brown and black of the original model. Bleach at them gears like tattoo with me bleaching cream and a buckle of Moscato.
Bumbuckler.
Bin Laden.
Easy, what's a bleach at your gear like what? With bleaching cream and a buckle of what? This shit going crazy.
Bin Laden. Bin Laden. Me love wildlife. Bin Laden. Bin Laden. Bin Laden. Bang down a bar like Bin Laden. Bin Laden. Bin Laden. Boy, this them off high. Bin Laden. Bin Laden. Man pray. Bin Laden. Ready for war, why you come mess with this all? Make your standard, but the matic me have never stalled. This time I road.
Care a matic. But the matic go me have never blood clot style. I want to. Hey, come
I go like tennis ball. Cause war, you want to clip him, get it all. They got the sharks, the 50 car go through any wall. You know we having a prop, skill like spot in the fucking car. It's a war. I'm ready long time, ready for the mark. But sometimes I fast start. Gunshot in a mouth like poison dart. The Benny lethal, but me cut it short.
Gunshot in a mouth like poison dart. The Benny lethal, but me cut it short. How the Bumbuckler, everyone better take on the notes, you know. One better take on the notes.
We belly dog, yeah, ready for bar. Them a get it car when them have them bodyguard. Make a tongue gold bar, keep them like a ballroom. The cheapest time and your baby talk. Picture like a tar or a photographer. Some long rascal that she not biographic. Whole pizza you to dip on it all spit. Too sweet, as you talk about sweet target. I grab me use a catch the boy what the market. In free sense, but me clever no ratty. In blind search me, I no see pa my waist. Me did a carry it under me armpit. This split on your body a backflip.
Easy to do. This is back on your body a backflip, brother. You better behave, you know. You better behave for yourself. You better behave for yourself. Skillibeng and Tamil for the one track. Blood class self. Come in.
Escape clip a carry baggage. Boy drop out like a miscarriage. Psycho brain no like a be a shot.
Boy drop out like a miscarriage. Come on.
Find a face for a flying a plane. Eastside ruler, and space in the microwave a time your plate. Me time your brain, sniper away. The island wave striker play diamond chain. No afraid while I'm brave. Rise a key pint and young boy a grave final day. Time and space asteroids. Circle the ends like the sun in the sky for days. Kiss a gal like a resurrect like Christ again. Family I cry for you and you do that I cry for them. Has it reflex dog and the nitrogen.
Hey, I hope you listen lyrics, you know. Let me know the thinking in the comment section, people. You see me? Yeah, man. Let me know if you like it. Let me see the, you know, let me see the fire emoji. You see me? Everything is trapped. Let me see the garbage can and shit emoji. But the one that bad. The one that people they chat about it so much, dog. For real, in a real life. He bad. He shot. Yo, come in.
Go click them bell, some fence and no hero hide them neck. Catch and tie them neck, torture them and poison them. Feed them to me doggy rock while I the big get people them. We bomb the bar like Bin Laden, like Bin Laden, like Bin Laden. Love wild like Bin Laden, like Bin Laden, like Bin Laden. Enemy love I Bin Laden, Bin Laden, Bin Laden, Bin Laden, Bin Laden, Bin Laden.
I think say have a buzz. Bumbuckler.
King Siegel.
Yeah, man. Let's talk about buzz, man. What do you think, people? Let's talk about what? They have to jump for what they call. A lot of people talk about the one there. You see me? Yeah, man. Kind of like a mellow kind of a feature with family. You know what I'm saying? Why man them go hard still, but it's kind of very catchy. The rhythm is nice. The production quality is nice. So far we don't miss a song so far. No song no miss so far, you know that. You see me someone know the thing, no song no miss so far. 35 song that. And so far the 5 we check out this one 6. The 5 we check out so far that shot, you know. That shot. So more go on people, we know one thing in the comment section. Skillibeng you do your thing. It was a nice collab with family and artists, dance artists and no do more collabs. So I like how y'all going. You see me? Yeah, that's how this do more collabs. That's gonna make the music bigger, man. Yeah, man. Real dope track people. You see me? Yeah, man. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me see the fire emoji, garbage card emoji. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some support. Make you know say Jambisco said you. You don't like it, let me know what you think in the comment section. You see me? Don't go over there with no hate. Let me know what we keep all the hate over here. Let me know what you think. You know what I'm saying? Real dope track. Me enjoy, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. You know what I'm saying? Real dope track, real dope project from family. Yeah, what family? That's tripping. Real dope project from Skillibeng. You see me? The prodigy. Yeah, man. One of place, man. Real proud of you. You feel me? Real proud of you. You're doing your thing. I hope you keep it up. I hope you know what I'm saying? Keep longevity and keep going and growing and prospering, guys. Everything you want is there. You can get it. You know what I'm saying? So go get it, man. Real dope shit. Once again, guys, your boy Jambisco was here with my hit and smash. Another banger. Until next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.